what's good? It's your boy ATL Screet Runner. We back with another edition. Under the hood, me and Pops, Red Eye and RT. Today, for me, we're gonna install this Canon filter, and for him, we're just exploring this new Red Eye wide body guy. So enjoy. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. We finna go get that motherfucker. Just looking for right now. I don't know how to change the picture of it. See, that's gonna plug right back in there. Okay, I see why. Yep. It's a little tight like that. So it gave us an extender. Yeah, we got an extender here. Tie wraps or something. Tie that up. So this should go into here. Like that. That goes straight into there. Yeah. There we go. Like that. Hold that. You gotta show people what to do. We can and filter installed. And they suck it. Yeah. Ready. Y'all see it's the green belt. It's the big one. It's the big one. Got a little ice on there from the cold last night.
Yeah, it got a lot of that salt they had on the road.
Yeah.
So I washed it off at the car wash over there just a few minutes ago.
Nice. That. That's the big boy. Oh yeah. Yep. That cat down in there.
Crank it up. Cat come on the dash.
I know. Yes, sir. First trip with the new parts added. Felt good, not gonna lie. Could definitely feel the difference in it. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated, man. Scream!